34 men and 5 women of Chinese origin have been arraigned before court, presided over by Grade 1 Magistrate Marion Mangeni, over operating business on phone and computer scrap without trading licenses. It is alleged that the group was also found dismantling several mobile phones and computers for trading purposes without a trading license. Prosecution alleges that the same group was found in possession of computer motherboards, phones and electricity meters that were seemingly a stolen property. They are also accused of being in possession of wildlife species, including 6 tortoises and pangolin scales. The Chinese were also found in possession of 1,895 Airtel and 223 MTN SIM cards registered in Ugandan names, which they were reportedly using for WeChat, an online platform for messaging and financial transactions between October 2019 and March 2020. Some of the suspects pleaded guilty, while others alleged that they were being framed.
是我的名人吗？对，我又没参加在里边。不是说那个问题，会说认或者不认，你现在认不认 ？Guilty.
3 prime suspects were convicted of being in possession of stolen property and are to be sentenced on March 31st. Those accused of being in illegal possession of wildlife trophies are to return to court on April 9th for trial. State Prosecutor Ivan Chaze and CIID Director Grace Akulo made incessant calls to prison authorities on where to remand them. The group has been remanded to Chitalia Government Prison located on Mitiana Road.